In Financial Accounting 288, we spend just over 20 of our 90 plus lectures on consolidations. I often find that in assessments, students write out all the consolidation journal entries that they see on the suggested solution. Unless the required specifically asks for consolidation journals, these merely form part of your own calculations. When practicing consolidations, practice some questions, writing out all the journal entries, but practice the majority doing only those you need to arrive at the final answer that was required, so that you don't run out of time in assessments. Each set of notes that the lecturers prepare for Financial Accounting 288 consists of two parts: the theory, followed by the practice questions. Invest the time to work through the theory before you start practicing questions. Yes, practice makes perfect, but the theory is the why behind the accounting treatment. Once you understand the why, the journal entries and disclosures that you see in the suggested solutions become obvious and are much quicker to study. So investing time in theory really saves you study time. Working through the theory is deep focus work, so schedule that for your most alert time of day. And do it with a pen in hand, making notes to keep your thoughts from wandering. We are very intentional in the order we present topics on this module. But when you are preparing the 16 or so topics for A2S2 or A3, my recommendation is to start with the topics that scare you the most. For most students, these would be the topics with the most abstract concepts, like deferred tax, group statements, and revenue. When you start with these topics, you can eliminate the lingering worries you have about them from the back of your mind, freeing up your focus before you continue with the topics you feel more comfortable with.